I come from small island, you know. You must be to learn English because so many tourists there. You can interaction with them. Story, yes, I like because we can't forget the story. The story is to know ourselves.
Yes.
Our country.
Our character.
Our region.
We have some question, so it is improve. If you have a question, I learn English from
Your friend.
my friends. English from Abdia.
Adia.
Abdia.
She.
She, not he.
Oh, she. Who is my
Not also beautiful, not also ugly.
ugly?
Where are you from, guys?
This island. This
No,
island.
I mean your language. Your school.
Lagi semangat ini.
Dari Singambaros.
From Lamaris.
Singambaros Cat.
In front of
We need building there.
Oh, not in Sri Ratu Sapiatuddin.
Oh, Sabiat.
Yes, alright. Business PKA.
I don't know where. I just have some advice to you. What class are you?
To senior. Senior high school.
Senior high school. Yeah, senior high school. The first time, if you want to learn your focus or your subject, I mean your more specific, like SMA, senior high school, senior high school, from SMK. SMA, exactly. So you must learn very
Study hard.
Study hard. It is can improve your knowledge. Like me, I just 3 months to learn English for my friends. Also can make English, make my English improve for my friends.
amazing.
I would like to go to Thailand. Teaching there.
This year.
This year, 2017. Use English, yeah. I use English for student. Usually, my friend just speak English. English language. And you can see anything. It's different on you.
Check it out.
The first time I use this university, I don't know anything because I'm from the other district. Another district. Usually I saw this student just to take some selfie. And upload on Instagram. They don't use profile to learn.
I am upload is YouTube. Okay. Thank you very much.
Anything. The important